Welcome back to Trek Gear, where performance meets precision. In today's lineup, we're exploring the top 10 hunting crossbows you can buy on Amazon models trusted by serious hunters and weekend marksmen alike. We analyzed real-world tests, field feedback, and design details so you can pick the perfect setup for your next season. All the latest prices and product links are listed in the description below, so feel free to check them out once you've seen which one fits your hunting style. The AR-6 Stinger 2 Tactical brings something completely different to the table, a repeating system that feeds bolts from a built-in magazine for rapid follow-up shots. Its lightweight polymer frame, adjustable stock, and ergonomic foregrip make it feel more like a compact rifle than a traditional bow. It isn't built for trophy class game, but it shines when quick handling and shot rhythm matter. Most think small game hunting, backyard target sessions, or pest control, where speed beats brute force. The tactical layout keeps it steady under pressure, and the modular design means you can swap limbs or accessories in minutes. That combination of speed, balance, and modern design has made the Stinger 2 a favorite among shooters who want something both fun and functional. The Excalibur Assassin Extreme focuses on old-school reliability fused with modern refinement. Its recurve system eliminates cables and cams, reducing points of failure while delivering impressive accuracy right out of the case. Every pull feels smooth, deliberate, and solid, exactly what you'd expect from a brand known for decades of dependable hunting tools. The Assassin Extreme's build emphasizes silence and strength. The trigger system is crisp, the draw mechanism balanced, and maintenance is practically effortless. Hunters who value consistent performance in harsh conditions appreciate how it holds zero even after long treks and sudden weather shifts. It's a crossbow you can trust to perform season after season, kind that earns a permanent place in your kit rather than being replaced every year. Compact, fierce, and precision engineered, that's the essence of the Ravin R470 Predator. Its helicoil cam system spins cams in perfect symmetry, unleashing bolts at blistering speed while keeping the frame exceptionally narrow. The R26 balances under 7 pounds, yet fires around the 400 FPS mark, giving it the kind of mobility bow hunters dream of when working from a blind or climbing stand. Every detail feels deliberate: the anti-dry fire safety, the friction-reducing trap, the perfectly aligned scope mount, all designed to keep shots consistent and recoil minimal. The R26 is proof that small doesn't mean compromise. It's a powerhouse in a compact shell. For hunters who demand high performance in tight spaces, this one's hard to beat. The TenPoint Venom X brings together modern precision and field-ready practicality. Every component is crafted to make hunting smoother, from its lightweight frame to its balanced draw cycle. TenPoint has engineered this bow for shooters who want a compact powerhouse that delivers speed without sacrificing stability. It generates impressive arrow velocity, making it effective for medium to large game while maintaining remarkable accuracy over distance. The Venom X also features TenPoint's easy cocking system, reducing draw effort and improving shot consistency. The combination of carbon fiber construction and precise weight distribution gives it a naturally steady aim, a detail you appreciate when you're lining up on that critical shot through thick brush. Pure speed meets cutting-edge technology in the Ravin R470. This model is one of the fastest production crossbows in the world, capable of reaching nearly 470 feet per second. Its helicoil cam design keeps the string perfectly level throughout the draw and release, minimizing friction and maximizing energy efficiency. The result is not only astonishing speed, but also superior downrange accuracy. The R470's design is unmistakably compact, making it easy to maneuver in tight blinds or rugged terrain. The trigger pull feels crisp and consistent, while the silent cocking system ensures your prey never hears you prepare for the shot. Every element from the balance of the limbs to the tactile finish on the stock is built with precision and performance in mind. TenPoint's TX28 takes the best elements of advanced compound design and fits them into a maneuverable mid-size package. Compact, quiet, and remarkably powerful for its footprint, this bow sits perfectly between speed and control. Its center punch carbon arrows can fly at speeds up to 460 feet per second, and yet the TX28 maintains a smooth, predictable draw thanks to TenPoint's refined trigger and cocking system. The build feels incredibly solid, with a slim profile that keeps it agile in dense woods or narrow blinds. What really stands out is its efficiency. It's designed to deliver maximum kinetic energy while keeping vibration to a minimum. Hunters who want a lightweight yet hard-hitting crossbow will find the TX28, a true balance of innovation and practicality that covers crossbows, each representing a different philosophy of hunting performance, precision, speed, and controlled power. power. The wicked Ridge Invader M1 represents TenPoint's idea of dependable American-built performance at a price that doesn't intimidate new hunters. At just over 6 pounds, it's noticeably light in hand, yet built from materials that hold up to repeated use. The draw system is smooth, the balance is forgiving, and the design keeps the profile slim enough for tight tree stand shots. What makes the Invader M1 stand out is its ease of operation. The self-centering cam system and factory-mounted scope create an out-of-the-box setup that beginners can trust immediately. Even seasoned hunters appreciate its quiet release and reliable grouping. It's the kind of bow that makes the learning curve short and the confidence curve long. Power and affordability intersect with the Crosman CenterPoint Amped 425. This compound crossbow is designed for hunters who want serious velocity around 425 feet per second without paying a premium. The integrated silent cranking system makes cocking surprisingly easy, and the fiberglass limbs absorb vibration well, keeping the shot stable and controlled. Its rugged aluminum rail and adjustable stock let shooters customize the fit to their stance, and the included illuminated scope helps in those low-light early morning setups. The Killer Instinct Vital X takes precision seriously. Built with the brand's micro-light frame and enhanced trigger system, combines strength with surprising maneuverability. The Vital X produces excellent arrow speeds while maintaining outstanding accuracy, largely thanks to its integrated X-cam design that reduces string torque and improves shot alignment. Hunters often comment on its quiet operation and minimal hand-shot qualities that make a big difference during long hunts. With a lifetime warranty and a thoughtful accessory package, the TenPoint Nitro 5050. It's currently one of the fastest crossbows available anywhere, reaching up to 505 feet per second. The integrated Garmin XERO scope uses built-in range finding and auto-aim technology, adjusting your aim point in real time, no manual range estimation required. Despite its enormous power, the Nitro 5050 maintains excellent balance and recoil control through a reverse draw configuration that centers the weight closer to the shoulder. Every mechanical movement feels deliberate and refined, from the silent cocking system to the crisp, consistent trigger pull. And there you have it, the top 10 hunting crossbows you can find right now on Amazon. From tactical repeaters to high-speed powerhouses, each model brings its own advantage to the field. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And consider subscribing to Trek Gear for more in-depth reviews, gear tests, and outdoor tech rundowns every single week. Stay sharp, shoot straight, and as always, adventure smart. Until next time, stay curious, stay prepared, and keep adventuring.